Good morning. I'm at Swatara State Park once again. The sun's right behind me. Getting nice out. Really nice. Anyway, let me show you the path I'm on. See, nice little path. There's a little tiny flowers blooming all over the place. I don't know if you can see them. Little teeny tiny flowers. Tiniest and tiniest. Saw two dogs, and there are two down there. Yeah, it's gonna be a good day today. Yesterday was Good Friday, and it was a good Friday. It really was. Today, it's a good Saturday. Anyway, have an awesome day. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, do all the things. Share. Sharing is caring. Remember that. Always. Bye-bye.